NPRC, a commission responsible for peace. Yanga yakapiwa higher time limit in the constitution. But this bill Raunyaso to make it clear that this commission is now also abolished. You are replacing anything. Irungova and it Tanzania. All right. Do end up at number 10. Currently, under the current constitution, my chiefs in politics. They should not be involved in political activities, and they cannot do party politics. If you are a chief, you remain out of party politics, not to join political parties. Like I think the person who had asked earlier, you can even become a chairperson of a branch of a political party. A traditional leader, not just chiefs, traditional leaders must not participate in partisan politics. This bill takes that away and says, no, they must now be allowed from now on, chiefs to be members of political parties, to be active participants in political parties, and even get positions there and do that. That is number 10.